make a video. If there's a thing that I know a thing about, if there's something I know a thing or two about, it's clutter. It's mess. I am an artistic mess. That being said, I have a challenge for myself and for you. If you have spare bits of foam laying around, well, we're going to take this and turn it into something cool. So let's go. Grab your stuff. We're making something. So let's look at what we got here. Looks like a lot of little scrap pieces. I also have a lot of leftover circles from my golem diorama and bits from that. So that's probably what I'm gonna end up using. Not that, toss that. That's for another project, but definitely gonna use these pieces. And yeah, okay, I think I got stuff to work with. Awesome. So I like to start with a sketch, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm thinking with the pieces that I have and just something easy, I'm gonna go with like a lighthouse, but not like a regular lighthouse with a rotating light, though that would be cool, but this is supposed to be quick, this is supposed to be fun. So I'm thinking like a medieval kind of lighthouse or like a beacon tower. So just a tower with some flames on top and a nice cool rocky base with some stairs going up. Should be easy, should be fun. Right? Right. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So looking at what we have here, I'm going to take the scrap pieces and turn them into bricks because I'm gonna need bricks. It's gonna be a brick, stone, whatever you wanna call it, building. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's jump over to the Proxon. Let me cut that. And then, yeah. I made about 1,000 bricks, which I'm not going to use all those, but it's good just to get that scrap used up. So now we're back at the crafting table, and I am taking my Sharpie and drawing out a shape that I want the top of my rock island thingy to be. And I'm using my brand new handheld hot wire tool, and I am just etching out all the little bits and bobs and shapes and just kind of going with it and having fun. And yeah. It'd be cool to put a little cave, so that's what I'm gonna do. I have like a little cave area cut out. And now for the base of the beacon, I'm gonna use a paper towel roll, and we're gonna use that to glue the bricks to. For the bricks, I am just kind of winging it and placing them around. No real rhyme or reason. I'm just gonna play around and see what I can come up with for a shape. And then I decide that instead of having like a metal cage around the flame, I'm just gonna do like a rock stone circle kind of thing. So that's what I am gluing here at the top. Kind of looks like a beehole, but we're not gonna talk about that. Okay, so now that I got the structure built, I'm going to make maybe I'll do a ladder. We'll try something. So yeah, it starts out, I'm making a ladder. I use a wire brush to do some texture on it, and I'm just kind of figuring out where it's gonna go. And then I realized that would look really out of scale. So I'm gonna use it as kind of like wooden stairs going up the side of the rocky area. So I'm just gonna attach that with some hot glue.
And now it's time for
little bit of Modpodge, Modpodge.
All right, so now that the Modpodge is done, it's time for paint. Now, I don't want to do this how I would normally paint rock. I've been looking at some coastal rocks, like cliffs, that kind of thing. And there's a lot of like browns in there, so that's what I'm gonna focus on. I'm gonna do some brownish earthy coastal rocks. So for the paint, I start with a dark gray base. That's just some graphite mixed with black, and then I hit it with some coffee color, some tan, some linen, some burnt sienna, and that gives me a nice brownish grayish cool looking tint thing for the rocks. and I highlight the wood on the stairs with some regular brown. The tower, I pretty much use the same color. I think I do a tan mixed with the graphite gray, and then I just hit it with a bunch of different dry brushes. And then I decide it is time to do some static grass. So that's just some Mod Podge. And I believe this is Geek Gaming Scenics Blend, which I really like the colors of. So I'm going to use that. Okay, guys. So here is the beacon without a flame on the top, with the grass on and the nice looking rock. But say we would need to light that beacon. Guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna take this and put that on top. Now this could of course be brighter and more flamey and that kind of thing, but you know what? This was a quick build. I used what I had, and this is a Black Magic Craft inspired ripped fire marker, and I think it works perfectly for this. So you can remove it if you don't want the beacon to be lit, and you just add that on when you want to fire, and there you go. And of course this is completely playable. Put your mini on the stairs, put him up in the grass. Maybe he's drunk and he falls down. That's fine. There you go. A nice quick piece of terrain made out of scrap material. I love how this turned out. I hope you guys did too. Let me know what you think. What would you do differently? Would you make this? Are you gonna make it? Let me know. And yeah, make sure you like the video. If you don't like it, hit the thumbs down. That's fine with me. Just give me some engagement there. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I look forward to seeing you guys later. All right, bye.